you kidding? Are you kidding me?
Alrighty guys, early morning, March 8th, coyote hunting. Been to this property once, called just from the road because the snow's still too deep. We couldn't get up on top of the hill, but we know there's good cover in swamps back in the woods here. Our plan is to walk in from the northeast corner because it's a southwest wind, and we're gonna try to walk with the wind right in our face down into a bottom, or try to find it. Well, we've never been there, so we're really we're just gonna walk in and see what happens. Really optimistic because there's coyotes in the area. First set we didn't have anything. On set number 2, see what happens. I'm excited.
Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Dude, come here. I gotta sit for another one, but I can't. I can't wait for another one. Dude. Oh. That's a beautiful dog. Just a beautiful dog. Got him right here, boys. Came from down the ridge right there. Me and Bowman were set up against those group of trees right there. Had the decoy just behind Bowman right there by that little tree. We snuck in from across this field from the road back there, which is directly to our east. We had a southwest wind, so we were hoping for him to basically do exactly what he just did, which he was trying to circle on the downwind side of this the call here. And textbook.
Old Savage, 243 Pinky. Got her done. Pinky got her done.
Look at that guy. Just absolutely beautiful coat on him. Just gorgeous.
Looky there. Looky there. Alright. This is the second set of the morning. March 8th at about, what is it, 8:30 right now?
Yep.
Pretty early.
Sure.
We were just
Almost 9:30.
Almost 9:30 now? On a permission property that farmer let us hunt. And we know there's coyotes around. We've been seeing tracks. We've been hearing them howl at night and whatnot, and decided just to sneak up this fence row here. Got into the woods about only 50 yards, ran a little hill. Let's sit down and let's see what happens. And it was what, 5 minutes? No, 2 minutes.
It's that, yeah.
5 minutes. Matt hit the female coyote distress, and next thing you know, comes popping right up over the ridge, and rest is history. You just saw it. It was awesome. Awesome hunt. Totally hooked. Beginning of March, so when there's nothing else really to be doing, why not come out and coyote hunt these beautiful creatures? Awesome stuff, man. Awesome stuff.
First one on film.
First one on film.
Many more to come, hopefully.
Good old Pinky did her.
Pinky got her done.
243 at, I don't know, 35 yards.
Get that.
Could have used the shotgun on him.
Yep. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, brother.
Awesome. Let's
get some more.
Let's get some more. Yes, let's do this.
That's awesome.
you! I got him!
You gotta be kidding me.